boys and girls? As you can tell by the title of the video, we got something exciting going on today. So I know I had plans to make this car, the LS400, a drift car, but I was scrolling online one night and I found this company called HRG Off-road, and they make a 3-inch lift kit for LS400. So I figured, oh, that'll be fun. Why not get some wheels and lift it and go play with it. These look pretty simple to put on. You just gotta unbolt the strut and then slap this on top, bolt them down, and then bolt this back to the car. So hopefully it won't take too long. I don't want to run into any problems. Hope I didn't just jinx this.
So these do look really simple to put on. With a lot of our projects, they start out seeming like they're going to be simple, and then we run into a shitload of problems. Hopefully that doesn't happen today. Trey's done some of the pre-work for us already. Front fenders are off, as you can tell. He's taken the harnesses and tucked them up above. So hopefully, once we have that big wheel in here, maybe a little cutting and beating, but hopefully no rubbing on any of the important electronics. Right on the lip, crunchy. How rusty is this shit?
It's 1990 years old. Hell yeah. Oh. Got one side off. Hopefully the next side goes faster. I got jinx this.
It'll take a little bit more apart than we expected.
Got the Honda fixed.
Papa P guest appearance. Put the Recluse 4.0 in the 450 RX.
Alrighty guys, let me pause it right here real quick, just for a little PSA or disclaimer, whatever you want to call it, but I do not ever condone using DeWalt tools. I didn't have my walk on me, so I had to settle for less. Thank you. It's almost like
Is the upper control arm gonna reconnect? Oh, that's gonna be some nice angle.
oh my god. Maybe, hold on. Alright guys, we just finished up the first side. Pretty simple once you cut the sway bar link. It's gonna be a Baja truck anyway, so you don't need that. Puppy's giving me some Raptor shocks, so yeah. On to the next side.
Oh, wham bam. So we just got the second spacer on. The second side went a lot quicker since we knew kind of what the fuck we were doing.
Yeah, no right turns. Oh, that's gotta go.
Yeah. That's tight right there. Yeah, so we're just finishing bolting up the other front wheel. This thing is way bigger than I expected. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this front bumper is gonna be like 2.5 feet off the ground. Definitely has to do the fact you got 31s on this bitch. Monster truck Lexus. Jesus. Dude.
That's sick.
That thing is huge.
Oh man. I love it.
So it took us a little longer than we thought to get this rear strut out. It's a little strange. Instead of trying to pry down, you actually lift the suspension up. But now that we know that, I got faith we'll get this other one off pretty quick.
Alrighty guys, so as you can tell, I'm wearing different clothes. I went home and showered and came back. It's not the next day or anything, but we ran into a problem getting the rear struts bolted in. We could get either the top bolted in, but couldn't get the bottom in. I was going to take the upper control arm off. I couldn't get the upper control arm off, but now we think we figured out how to do it. We got the upper control arm off. This is bolted in. Now we got to get tie rod, lower control arm, and upper control arm bolted back. Hopefully it works out. And then if it does work out, we'll get the other side done quick.
I sure hope so. Boy, don't know how to mount up them truck tires. It's hitting what?
It's hitting up here.
Where?
So,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, that's gotta go.
Well,
Well,
we're gonna try to just take off this inside lip and see if that does anything. Probably not. But
You ain't working to pop up.
if this don't work out, catch a LS in the Derby next year. So we got it to fit. Minor cutting and beating down here. It still looks pretty decent. Is that piece of trim gonna go back on there?
oh, I gotta cut it up, but I'm not.
All right, guys.
So we got the second side out.
Oh, the learning curve. It took all day to get one, and now it's gonna take 30 minutes to do the other side.
Yep.
Well, we all did the front, and then you got to the back, and you kicked that ass.
So right now, Trey's currently fucking every single bushing in this suspension.
Yeah, that's how I like it.
Yeah, baby.
All right, guys. So we just got the last one in.
Can't really tell, but
Yeah, you can't really see it like you can on the front. Now all I gotta do is cut it up a little bit, do some hammering, tighten everything, and then we put the last wheel on.
yeah. Oh! Bumper's fucking. Bumper's folded in. Yeah, you should take a saw and just fucking straight down.
Oh.
Well, it's finished. It honestly fits 31's a lot better than I thought. Still some clearancing that needs to be done back here, but it's done and it looks damn good. It's honestly kind of ridiculous.
It is very ridiculous. As always, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This was kind of stressful, but it was fun for me. It's gonna be fun. We'll definitely have some content of us playing with this thing sometime soon. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.